Hi, I'm Mel Aquino for Yamaha's Into the Thrill series. For this episode, we'll talk about Beginner's Guide to Off-Road Riding. And I'll be using the newly launched Yamaha WR155R that is perfect for you to enter the off-road world. The off-road is full of excitement, and to fully enjoy it, here are the things you have to know. Here are the top 3 you must learn in off-road riding. Number 1, get a set of tools, 8mm T-wrench, 12mm T-wrench, and the ever-reliable 10mm. Pag nakita nyo na yung WR155R nyo, kailangan make sure that you have gasoline and you have to check the engine oil. Then after that, let's check out the controls. So in order for you to fully correct or kailangan may adjust yung inyong motorcycle, you have to ride your bike first. Then, hold the 8mm T-wrench, adjust the front brake. So the first thing you have to adjust is the front brake. The number 1 tip is, it is level dun sa fingers natin. Adjust your levers na pag nabuhal yung bike nyo ay hindi siya tatama sa dulo. Kailangan hindi masyadong tight yung pagkaka-turilyo natin. Dahil pag bumuhal siya at hindi siya umikot, pwede mabalik agad yung lever natin. And of course, adjust the clutch also. So the reason why we're adjusting the levers is so that when we lean back, we can still reach the controls. Let's adjust the gear shifter from a road setup to an off-road setup. So use the 10mm socket wrench. Alright, ito yung on-road setup, no? So mapapansin natin, pantay yung level ng gear shifter saka ng foot peg. Now, if you're going off-road, your boots should be medyo malaki na siya, no? Mataas. So para magkasya lang yung boots natin dito, i-adjust natin yung gear shifter lever. Tatasan natin ng 1 notch up. Then, sisigipan ulit natin siya. Yan, pagka fully adjusted na, yung pwede na pumasok yung riding boots nyo, hindi na siya tatama sa ruts na tinatawag natin. Alright, and that's also make sure that the brakes are properly adjusted. Okay, so make sure pantay yung level naman ng rear brake. So kung kaya pang itaas ng konti at yung rear brake pedal, it's okay. Pero kung hanggat kaya mo siyang abutin when you lean back, and ang play lang naman niya is 10mm. So this one is okay naman. So make sure lang, kapag nag-lean back kayo, maabot niyo yung rear brake pedal, especially when going downhill. Here are the proper riding gears that you'll be needing off-road. So as you can see, we have a motor helmet. This can be used for road riding and off-road riding. Off-road helmet together with the goggles. Okay? The good thing about this, when you breathe heavily, hindi na magmo-moist yung loob. So of course, long sleeve and a riding pants. But of course, never forget to use the elbow and your knee pads. Okay? This is very important. Of course, kailangan din naka off-road gloves. And ang pinakamahalaga rin ay yung riding boots. So these are the things that you'll be using when you go off-road riding. That's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mel Aquino, and always remember, only Yamaha revs your heart.